So our fundamental theorem of arithmetic states that, for example, if it's 6 equals to 3 times 2, or 36 equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, right? This simply shows that a product of prime numbers apart from the order of the primes, right? You can express it in a unique way. So, for example, 430, expressing 430 as a product of prime numbers, 430 divided by 2 is 215, and then 215 divided by 5 is 43, and 43 divided by 43 is 1. So therefore 430 is simply 43 times 5 times 2, or 2 times 5 times 43. Okay, so this is a fundamental theorem of arithmetic which involves the division algorithm. Yeah. So next, now the division algorithm simply states that if you consider division, for example, 203 divided by 8, it is simply 25 remainder 3. And this division can also be written as 25 plus with the remainder over the divisor, right? So the remainder is 3 over the divisor. So in this case, when you were in when you first started learning division, right, it simply means 203, all right, okay, divided by 8 is actually 2. You get 16 here, 43, and this is 5, 40. Right? This is normal division, just to show you what is a division algorithm. And remainder is 3. So you can write your answer as 203 over 8 simply means 25. All right, 25. And then the remainder 3 over the divisor, which is 8. Okay, you can also write it this way. And next, in the context of division, 203 is known as the dividend. Okay, 8 is the divisor, and 25 is the quotient. Right, 25 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder, 8 is 3 is the remainder, and 8 is the divisor. Okay, 203 is the dividend. Okay, and the relationship between these four quantities can be expressed as 203 equals to 8 times 25 plus 3. I think you're more comfortable expressing it in this form rather than this form. Okay. Next, example, if we write it in terms of unknown, it will be A equals to BQ plus R. BQ here means B is actually the 8, and Q is 25, and plus 3, so plus the remainder is R. Right? So you can express it in this form, which is similar to this form. Okay. Next, this theorem is known as division algorithm, or its another name is called division identity. Right? Just bear in mind, you need to also revisit some terms like greatest common divisor. Okay, you can also write it in the form of bracket A, comma B, right? So A here will be 203, comma B here would be 8. Okay. So now we will actually look at how this theorem is being proven, right? You don't need to know the proof. This proof is just for extra knowledge, right? So I'm not going to go into the details of this proof. So for example, we will look into how this division algorithm is actually used